Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is February the 12th, and today we are going to be planting Coleus seeds. So I have my organic Jiffy seed starting mix here, and I've already added some cinnamon to it. I don't have a measurement for how much cinnamon I put in. I just put some in and mix it all in good. Cinnamon is an antifungal, and Coleus are known for getting downy mildew, and it's just very destructive to the crop. So I found that cinnamon helps to ward it off. You want to make sure that you try and keep your leaves and stuff dry, and you can even get it if like you buy a plant and it has it on it and you bring it into your stuff, it can spread. So if you do buy Coleus, try and look at the undersides of the leaves. Look for any gray mold on the undersides of the leaves. Anything with like black spots in it, I would definitely shy away from. I'm actually to the point where I don't even buy Coleus anymore. I just grow my own from seed. So I have my water here, and I'm putting some water in, and I'm going to start mixing this up. Now we want our soil moist, but we don't want it soupy. I got a little bit too much water in here, so I'm going to have to put some more soil in. Just get that out here. Oh, so we wanted a nice consistency. Oh. Okay, this is a nice consistency here. And you can also do them in peat pellets. I like to do mine in peat pellets too. This year I'm just going to use the seed starting mix. And I have my 6-pack here. You can use a 6-pack or a 4-pack. And I'll show you here how I how I put my soil into the container here. Now Coleus seeds need light to germinate, so we're definitely not going to cover these. We're just going to put the seeds right on top. Packing this in here because I don't want any air bubbles or any air pockets. There we go. And try and get it level if you can, so your seeds don't fall into like a hole or anything like that. So there we go. So I'm going to finish filling my cell packs up here, and then I'll come back and we'll plant the seeds. Okay, so we're back, and I got my cell packs filled. I actually have more filled than what's even on camera. And I will show you what Coleus seeds look like here. Now they are small. Coleus seeds are very small, and they germinate in 12 to 21 days at 65 to 85 degrees. So, this is what, oh, hold on here, I gotta put them in my hand for you, sorry about that. So this is what Coleus seeds look like. They're very small. And I'm going to be sowing 1 seed per cell here. And I am going to be labeling them then. Now, Coleus seeds need to go right on top of the soil. So I'm just pushing the seed in, but I'm not going to cover it with anything. I just want to make sure that seed gets nice good contact with the soil. And Coleus are one of my favorite plants to grow. And you can, they're very easy to do from cuttings. Like you take and you cut your stem just below where 2 leaves are coming off at, and you just take the 2 leaves off. And you take your cutting, you can dip it in some cinnamon if you would like before you plant it, and you just put it like in, you can use like a seed starting mix, you can use a peat pellet, you can use your potting mix, and just stick the cutting in there, firm your soil around it, and it should root for you, and then you'll have a clone of your plant. So I have these planted in here, these seeds, and I'm just going to take my water bottle here. I'm just going to spray over top of it, and I'll plant the rest of my seeds, and then we'll take them over to our growing area, and I'll show you them over there then. Okay, so we're back, and I got all of my Coleus seeds planted in here, in these 6 cells here. And this light, it's a fluorescent light. It's on for 14 hours a day, and then it turns itself off. Now you can use a bottom heat on these, which I've done before. I've used the radiant heat in the floor, but I actually put these in my insulated grow box here, and it should get to the temperature that we need for them to germinate. So when they start coming up, I'll come back with another video and I'll show you. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I will try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. It'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.